Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to start up and shut down the Oracle instances. So before going to start the lab activities or do it practically, so let me discuss something before. Background, when we gonna use shutdown or startup. An Oracle database system consists of an Oracle database and an Oracle instance. An Oracle instance, also known as a database instance, contains the set of Oracle database background processes that operate on the stored data and shared allocated memory that those processes use to do their work. In this tutorial, you will learn how to manage your Oracle database instances. Start up and shut down the Oracle database instances. You may need to shut down the database instance to perform certain administrative tasks. To shut down and restart the database instances, perform the following steps. First, second, open a terminal window as Oracle user. Execute the Aura environment command to set the environment variable. So log into SQL Plus as sysdba. So let's do these two steps practically. So I have already logged into my Linux server. I have already switched to Oracle user. In case of you, if you're not switched to Oracle user, do it su-oracle and then set the environment to your database instance name. In my case, my database instance name is OEM. So once you are here, issue the shutdown command to close the database and shut down the instances. So now we can shut down the database. You have to connect to SQL Plus as sysdba. And now let me see. My database instance name is OEM. And let me see the status of my database. $database. Oops. Select open mode. Open mode from $database. As you can see, my database is read and write, which is up and running. In case of you, let's say that you want to shut down the database instance, just issue shutdown. In my case, I can say immediate. Shutdown immediate. Shutdown. Or you can just type shutdown immediate. Shutdown immediate. Wrong. Shutdown. Okay, I think spelling error. Shutdown immediate. Shutdown. Sorry, my spelling sometimes. Shutdown immediate. So with this command, you're gonna shut down the database instances. Shutdown immediate. As you can see, my database is shut down. Now, once you do your maintenance, let's say the application teams, whoever needs you to shut down once they are ready, so you can just start up your database, issue the startup command to start up the instance and open the database. So just straightforward command startup. After shutdown, you just fire the startup command. Startup, let's see. Database mounted and database open. If we query and check the mode of my database from $database, as you can see, the database is again in read-write status, which means it's up and running. We also can check with the command ps-ef grep pmon process monitor. If, as you can see, OEM instance is up and running. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.